ain't no shit like it for real. I'm a flyer like Aladdin on a pussy golden blessing. Why she did it? Cause she lying. What we do here is so discreet. If you have
क्यों हिला डाला ना?
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस
Tundra